Okay, peeps, this one deserves to be shared. Yes, 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 people, because this is a place that I used to traverse as a youth. I used to look mangoes. I used to look cashew. I used to look nestlings, birds. You know, the white wing or the bald plate or the peat dove. And this used to be just a common. When I say common, I mean a place that they raise cattle, right? And I just happened to be passing here, and my brethren decided that we're gonna buy some Calaloo, of which I'm gonna also videotape for you. All right, so just to show you the front here. Now, as a youth, this was not like this. This was just pure cattle and all of that stuff, right? And as you can see over there, you know, you see all these trucks that they have here. So this is just the trucks, you know, and the machinery that they used to move the red dirt, because they turn this whole area into a place of extracting the clay soil, you know, to get the aluminum. Yeah. So you see all these trees, and this setting that you see here now is how it is now. But before, it was, like I said, just a common. We call it common. They used to raise cattle, lots of mango trees and uh, cashew and you name it. All right. So I'm just doing this little part here so you can see it. We just came off the main, right? And this is how it looks here, right? This is just behind Al Canino, the backside company. Yeah. All right. As you can see over there is just pure digging that goes on here, right? See the trucks, you know, the workers, you know, they carry the clay soil and the mountain. I think that mountain that you're looking at there was that Brockway, right? The bonnet. All right. So anyway, I'm gonna turn this around and I'm gonna head over to the Calaloo, to the little farm now. Okay, people, I think that you guys deserve this, right? Because this is such a prominent part of my life as a youth growing up, and the way how the place is now, it's all changed up. And so this is after years of not being here. All right. So this is the way how the place looks now, people. So I'm gonna share this with you. All right. All right. So I don't know where this road leads to, but I'm just gonna go across this little fence here. All right. So over on this farm now, it's gonna be like more like what it used to be, except that it's a farm, right? All right. Yeah. You know, as I said, you know, those days it was just cattle here. So I'm just gonna go across this little fence here that the person built here, right? And I'm gonna walk up this little path here. Let me turn around so you can see where I just came from. So I just came from beyond that little fencing that the person built. All right, and so now I'm gonna walk down. So apparently my friend said that they plant Calaloo here. So if you look here, people, that's all Calaloo, right? And it's all lots of seedlings, you know. It's seeds. So what they would do now, the seeds would fall off and fall on the ground, and you clean up all the bush and take out the old trees, and new trees grow, right? So see, all Calaloo as far as you can see. And a lovely ackee tree here. And as you can see here, this is where they planted. That's how they plant it fresh, so you can harvest it, right? All right, people, I'm gonna go down now and tie my lace because my lace pull and I don't want it to be muddy. So let me tuck my lace into my boots here, yeah, so I can walk and don't mud up the lace. All right, I'm gonna walk here. Lots of ackee on the tree, and I guess we'll get to meet the farmer. Right, there you go, ackee on the tree. This is food, people. As I mentioned before, it's like the scrambled egg. It's a fruit. You cook it for breakfast. You can cook it for anything, any time of the day. Lunch, breakfast, and dinner. There you go, the Calaloo. Yes. And let me give you a little scan of over there. Yes. I see some pumpkin. Yes. I believe this is dandelion, people. Dandelion. Very good medicine. That tree right there is a dandelion. See how it's bloomed with the beans, beans that you take the seed from it to parch it and beat it like it comes out like coffee. Looks very much like coffee. Alright. And then over here is the little irrigation system, you know. You see, he has this drum, alright, so. And then this is where now he would chill out when it's raining here. Yes, people, over there. Yeah. Alright. We're gonna check in with what this man is saying, no? Cane, sugar cane. Hey, what go on, Pops? Blessing, blessing. Alright, people. You see that place there? That's Alcan, Yorton, the backside, right? So you see how close we are to that vicinity. So what go on? I see you cultivating, man. You're going on with good things, man. You may capture this little moment here, you know? Yeah, man, I hope you don't mind. Yeah, man. So we have some Calaloo and thing and sweet potato, people. Right? It's a beautiful farm. Yeah, man. Sweet potato. They call it baniato in Spanish. Oh, so you're not a Calaloo reap right now? Yeah, man, yeah, man. Even, last night, me eat some Calaloo with some rice, man, some jasmine rice. Man, I have to eat that again today. Yeah.
You want some okra in there?
Yeah, I okra the night, man.
Oh.
And the bread, you know, cook it too, good for the cooking, you know.
Oh, you cook it right?
Yeah, man, because I used to work up a few expensive, you know. You probably don't know him, one you then call him Chicken Nicky.
I know, alright.
Milton. Alright, so people, he's now spraying the Calaloo. Right? Walks around and spray it to kill all the bugs and all that stuff that eat up the leaves. Right? See? So I just strictly Calaloo your plant? I just strictly Calaloo. Or it look like you turn the place in a sweet potato sometimes. It looks like you plant up the sweet potato at times.
Yeah, man. I kill this piece now. And that's how they cross it. It's a young piece across it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. Hey, this is a place I used to roam as a little boy, no, man. The whole of them come on here, man. I'll go as far as over Big Pond. Yeah. Yeah, man, we used to go through and look mango and cashew. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we used to have to run left our fishing line, man, and bus gunshot, we take off like a rocket. What? You see time we are picking, man? Sure.
Costas.
Yeah, man.
Yes, anybody when you go to Costas, you get work as man. Costas. Once in private.
Yeah. I saw me kind of hear, you know. Yeah, man.
No, yeah, man. It happened to man.
My whole lady, I true, man. You never know what Gerald, I never know the same thing. Listen, no? My mother tell me, because when I was a big man, my mother showed me, I said, them time there. Because I said, mommy, all my life, I grew up in Jamaica, I never hear about them. Them sitting there. I said, what, G? Then they used to go and she mentioned Costas.
Yep, man.
Because him be there with him helper, you know, which was a black man. People, look at this here, people. Bok Choy, little bed here, lovely Bok Choy, people. Right here. Yeah. A true man.
And when you take a stop, Costas look funny, man, say, boy, you're alright, but I want to see the. Yeah, man,
okra. They got a nice color, you know. This one is one of those types that is good for cooking, even though it's got the holes here, the bugs eat it up, right? And then, what is turmeric? This. Oh, ginger flowers.
And it would be back pain, man.
Give me a root tight, no? Give me a root tight, no?
Eh?
Give me a root tight, no?
And it would be back pain, man. 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 And it
A plant over here there.
Well, white it underneath it.
Pumpkin people. Pumpkin. Right. See all the blossom, the flower. Lovely pumpkin. Right. Yeah, this is the man weeding up the weed and all that stuff, taking care of the farming. All that over there, people, is Calaloo over there, but they're overgrown and the seed, they have like a lot of seeds, so you know, that is what fall back and they grow and regrow. But those, you'd have to root it all up for the fresh one to come up. That's how you deal with Calaloo. Lovely, man. You know? Yes, people, this is a part of my journey, you know, as a child, as I mentioned to you, is that as a child, these are the things that I used to do as a child, you know. When my parents can't find me, I'm hearing all these bushes, looking birds, or I would have my little paint pan, you know, that I used to pick up the cashew, like cashew season, yeah, or mango season, you know. We used to come out and, you know, gather our things, man, food. Yeah, man, because the stuff go here wild, you know. Well, yeah. Hold on, you know. You have anything else? Yeah? You have anything? You have pumpkin?
Yeah, man, you can get one pumpkin to buy.
How much?
Eh?
How much?
How much? Small one there.
Come here, work it on me half, you know. I only can work it on me half. Because I never plan freely come here pass, me pass.
What money you have?
We'll see what we have here. Hold on.
How much you can get small pumpkin? Eh? How much you can get small pumpkin?
One nice one, one nice pumpkin. I don't know.
A pretty pumpkin, man.
Yeah, man, we travel when we come up.
How much? That's the way, man, until me.
Yeah, man. When we come, we want the best, you know. I don't know. Alright, so. How much for that?
Oh. $800 pay this and this.
Alright.
You good?
Yeah.
You know, I pop up and look up with $2,000. Are you good?
Alright, do that then, no?
With what? Hold it. Because they have 2 houses up there. No, sir. In range one, don't? How much they had there? 10 yards at the big house and about there now? That's about 3 months. Where? Eh? No, the rent house me at that one. Yeah, wait. Oh, God. He must go call his wife, man. In one time, wife, do something to him. Yeah, man. This year, something the way. Yeah, man, dandelion that.
To all the people, so I have good memory. That is indeed dandelion. Yes, indeed. What them say the dandelion good for now? Poor blood circulation. Poor circulation, blood. Yeah. Yeah, man. Give me a root tight here. Give me a root tight. Me put it next to me turmeric them here.
Yeah, man. I use it like.
I love the farming too, you know, Pops. Wow. Every day I plant. A man look at me yesterday and tell me, say, oh, I plant so much tree in a yard and rare. I said, then, when they get big, man, I prune them up. Oh, I don't think grow. So what is that?
This year, you see, I spring back and now, this year, something, them are not fit, you know.
Oh, so we can't eat them?
No, they can't use them, no.
Just put them in the ground same way, though.
Eh? They can use. Look, remember say I grow them, I grow back, you know.
Yeah. Oh, raccoon.
Yeah. Eh?
A raccoon that.
No, I food that. Yeah,
no, but me I say, no, but me I say, him say beer in the ground.
Before, I believe, you know. Them if you reap before this I grow back, you know. No,
so a raccoon.
Yeah, me know say at least I don't use great type, man.
Because it's staying at the ground and regrow, right?
I remember where this name is. But that goes to being here. In food.
So how you use it now? Cook you up in a food same way?
No, man. make porridge, man. And use something use the starch to make porridge.
Oh.
Like coconut.
Oh, I'm putting a porridge. Oh.
But I can't remember where name.
Mm-hmm.
Can't remember name. Can't remember name.
Yeah, man, I like to know any name still.
Yeah, man, anytime you go to the road, somebody will tell you where you know. I mean, you say draft, wild porridge. Yeah, man, you can't go there, man. Oh.
Yeah, man, I just go a yard and just go and hold and put them next to the turmeric, them, man. You don't know. I know some more in plan, we just die.
You want if now the yellow sitting?
You know the one in turmeric? It look almost like ginger, man, but it's yellow. It look like curry. It look like ginger. And the yellow like curry. You can cook it all night when you have curry. Hey, Gerald, this is good for you, you know. How wrong with you, brother? It's not something what we use, you know, but it'll take over you now. Thanks, yeah, Pops.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Thanks a lot for the thing. Cause like I say, I need something we plan. When you go a yard, me show you some, Gerald. Good food. You have to start put that in your food, brother.